guess where I am right now? It is Koh Samui Island in Thailand. Oh my god, it's crazy! This is another level of experience. I want to do this all my life. Thailand in Southeast Asia. For last many years we were thinking that Thailand would be too crowded or maybe too overhyped. Let's just avoid that destination, but man, it has so much to offer for every traveler.
We were made for each other to hold on to. I was carved out of redwood beneath your moon. I was birthed in the mountains under the sun. Something's changed, you can't see my face in the crowd no more. Something's changed, you can't see my face in the crowd no more. We are living the dream together.
Hey, very good morning. I slept so well last night in Fairhouse Villas and waking up to this view, man, I wish every day of my life is like this. Look.
I don't know what for. Something's changed, you can't see my face in the crowd no more. Something's changed, you can't see my face in the crowd no
I am in paradise right now. I am in Koh Samui Island in Thailand. Koh Samui is just one happening paradise. It's just a small island in Thailand. We are reaching here from Phuket in Thailand, and the best part is that we are staying in Fairhouse Villas. So of course guys, I am really having a good time here in Fairhouse Villas. Early morning just by the beach, this luxurious villas, I am having a good time. But now it's time to explore Koh Samui Island. And when in Thailand or any other beach destination, or maybe whenever you are going out in the sun, the most important thing is to apply a good sunscreen to protect your skin from any skin damage. So my recent favorite is Mamaearth Vitamin C Daily Glow Sunscreen. So the best part is that it is SPF 50 and PA+++, no white cast, it is lightweight and has a non-sticky texture that gets absorbed without leaving any greasiness. Also, this is made safe certified. That means you can use daily. There is no harmful chemicals and toxins. So this sunscreen has vitamin C, which brightens the skin and shields it from UV rays. And also it has turmeric, which heals damaged skin caused by sun exposure and revives your skin's natural glow. Also, let me mention here, Mamaearth has two other fabulous products for sun damage. Number one, Ultra Light Indian Sunscreen, which comes with the goodness of natural ingredients like carrot seed and turmeric. And number two, Rice Sunscreen Gel with rice water and niacinamide for UVA and UVB protection. You can also buy Mamaearth products in offline stores near you, if not the online sites like Amazon, Flipkart and Nykaa. Also, whenever you are purchasing a product from Mamaearth, they link your purchase in their website to a tree that they plant. So use my code SAVVY2023 on Mamaearth's website and app to get 20% off. Okay, so now before we go out to explore Koh Samui Island, let me give you the villa tour. The name of the property is Fairhouse Villas. It's Fairhouse Villas. You need to remember this name. Right on the beach. So this is the sea. And then there is the swimming pool. This is private to us. And then you have the villa here. And come inside, let me show you. You are ready for this? Come. going to be one wonderful stay of my life. Look at 3 elephants, the mummy, daddy and the baby one, and it's written welcome here. And right outside, as I already mentioned, there is the pool and the beach is right in front of me. I will be here for 3 nights. Yes, and I'm going to have a lot of fun. This one here is the living room. Look, if you are traveling with your family or friends and you have more than 2 people, this 2-bedroom villa is just perfect. Look at this. This is the living room. Again the pool, the same pool. And there is another room that side. So I need to show you the other room as well, and since it is perfect for families with kids, or maybe you are traveling as 2 couples, or I don't know, I mean more family members, then it's a perfect place. And you have the seating arrangements here. And let me show you the other room, that is the entrance also. Come. Perfect for 2 more guests, maybe for the kids, for the other couple, for your friends, whoever traveling with you. So this is the room. Ta-da! Of course, I would not say that this is a budget property. You need to pay the price for this luxury, but then it's totally worth it if you want to relax completely, or you want to celebrate very special occasions like honeymoon, anniversary, some achievements for your kids, families. It's such a perfect choice of stay just by the beach in Koh Samui Island in Thailand. Oh my god, this is going to be one wonderful vacation. Amazing. This is so relaxing. I hope you can already hear the sound of the sea. The villa is there. I don't know if I want to spend my time just by the sea here, or I want to go inside and enjoy all the luxuries of fair house villas. Sure, it's so good. So now it's time to rent a Scooty and we are going to explore Koh Samui Island. I'm really excited.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
And your name?
My name is Kit.
Huh?
Kit.
Kit.
K-I-T. Kit.
Kit.
You can call me Kitty.
Kitty. Okay,
Yeah.
so we can call him Kitty. So the company name is BB. BB. Okay. So we are renting it for 2 days. If further needed, we can talk to him. Yeah, there are certain formalities like, we'll have to give a photocopy of the passport and then some deposit amount, some advance, that whatever is required. And most important thing, you have to make sure that there are no scratches, no accidents, no incidents. You need to avoid it completely, you know that. So this is basically 150cc bike. So we are going to pay the rent for 400 baht per day. So we are taking it for 2 days, so it's 800 baht, and 3000 baht we are keeping as the deposit money, which obviously will be returned when we return this Scooty back. The other Scooty that we take on the other islands is about 100cc. 150cc we are preferring here because there are certain like uphills and downhill section, and it might be a bumpy ride, so we want to be a bit more comfortable here. Exploring Koh Samui. We are going to explore Koh Samui and we will get to experience it all with us. As soon as we arrive at any destination, we spend our time to arrange the necessary things on priority, be it petrol filling, drinks, local clothes, etc. Oh my god, Hanky's beer.
Oh, nice.
Even I'll have beer maybe. And we always pick up groceries, snacks, beer, etc. from Supermart for the time to chill at villa and pool area.
Both are local beer from Thailand. This one is Singha, this one is Leo.
The pretty cute one. Makeup. You can even order the items from the resort itself. But it's always efficient to stock up your kitchen with necessary items when staying for many days. Okay, so first we'll get some bikinis. Swimwear is very important to go to the sea and as well as the swimming pool. Showering. Showing is the correct pronunciation. Showing beach. I tried a few. I really like this yellow one. Bikini is something where you need to be very, very comfortable. I really like this one. And this is white in color. I'm going to take this one. So this one. I'll select a few more. You will see in the videos of Koh Samui. So we are all set to seek what Koh Samui Island has in store for us. And we decided to start our trip from a nearby beach followed by a sunsetting.
And I will taste every note. Feels so good when you're in my head. And you're the fire, you're the flare, you're the song inside my head.
Hi! So we are in Maenam Beach right now. So our resort is also in the same beach, but it's a very, very, very long beach. You can basically walk along the beach line. I won't say that it's the most happening beach or something like that, but there are really good resorts along this beach.
Pick me up again. Come on, pick me up.
Yeah, here.
Not really friendly, I guess.
You're the song inside my head, and I will taste.
So there is another hotel, Fair House Beach Resort and Hotel, a different one than the Fair House Villas and Spa. So here there is a very good restaurant called the Blooming Gallery, and we are gonna have lunch there. Let's go.
More of your smile. What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone?
And yes, I'm very hungry now, and we arrived at Fair House, another property in the city center, where delicious lunch was waiting for us at their boutique restaurant, the Blooming Gallery.
Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
I'm trying the signature tea here. It's named as Sea Breeze, a really soothing one. All dishes presented to us were very unique and super delicious. Myself and Anki really enjoyed our meals here after a tiring day full of shopping and climbing.
But dream away, standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a
In the evening, I decided to take a slow pace and enjoy the beautiful sunset and the ambience around the Sun Temple. So we have come to the big Buddha area in Koh Samui Island to enjoy a very beautiful sunset. As you can see, it's a bit cloudy, so I don't know if the sunset would be that clear. So just before reaching the big Buddha, there is a small lane just by the sea, and it's really nice here to sit and enjoy the sunset. Look at this. But in the big Buddha area, it's a very happening place. Actually, you can sit in any of the cafes and pubs, or you can go to the big Buddha area. We'll just quickly go and show you. I was looking for this wide leg pants. So I saw these white color ones. Lot of pretty colors. So I'm gonna purchase few of them. How shall I go for this one or this one? This one. And the day is not over yet. I'm going to explore what's there in store at Koh Samui Island during late evenings. And I will also look for a nice place for drinks and barbecue seafood platter, the must while visiting any island. And here in Koh Samui, I am going to spend 3 days roaming around in the island and nearby world famous destinations.